Hello and welcome. In this video I will demonstrate another feature which can be used to do online classes. So the facility name is Big Blue Button. The Big Blue Button is basically an open source software for web conferencing. So this facility has been deeply integrated with many of the LMSs including Moodle. So we will see how we can add an activity of Big Blue Button and use it for online interaction with the students. So as usual I am logged in my class and turn editing is on. Now I am adding an activity. So you can see that Big Blue Button is here. So you can just click this activity and you can add it to your course. Now you have to give some details. So online something like you want to meet all the students and discuss something. So if you check in here, if your Moodle system is properly configured, it will send notification on this online meeting to all the participants of this course. So there are other settings here. So activity room settings. So there is a welcome message. Welcome to the interactive or online meeting. So you wait for the moderator. So those teachers who create this activity will be automatically becoming moderator, or you can set one of the participant as a moderator, right? Now you can see here add participants. Now all the users who are enrolled in this course can be automatically added. Currently there are no users, so there is only one user here and he is the moderator, right? And if you want, you can schedule the session as well. So you can give the date and time and basically ask the students. So the join is open and join will be closed by this date and time, right? So then there are other options, you can check it. So now I say save and return to the course. Now you can see there is a activity added in terms of Big Blue Button. Now let's see how students are actually looking at it. So now when student logs in, he will be clicking this activity. So you can see online meeting. So the conference room is ready. You can join the session now. So this is something similar to your Google Meet facility or even Zoom facility, etc. So I say join session. So now it goes to a server where this Big Blue Button is being configured, and naturally this is an outside server. So now it asks for it's some kind of checking, audio checking. So I have to allow the access to the microphone of my computer. So it is just connecting to an echo test. Hello, hello. Yes. So it works. So similarly you can check the web camera as well. So you can hear, you can check it. So now I have to allow my camera. So this camera is now on, so you can say start meeting. So it says right. So this video has come here. So likewise, all the participants video will be just displayed here, and you can ask the students to turn off the video, because most of the times the video will consume large bandwidth. So once session starts, you can ask students to just stop the video, so that stop the video as well as they can stop their mute their microphones as well. So that will give a greater experience of online meeting. Then you can see there are a lot of options here, including online kind of a chat. You can share notes, then you can do polling. So basically in between the session you can ask some questions to the students. You can share the screen. So if you have a presentation, you can share that presentation with your students. Lot of facilities are there, and another facility is facility of a whiteboard, where we can basically use a whiteboard to draw something or write something, and that whiteboard is a shared whiteboard. So with all the other participants, they can see the whiteboard as well, right? So share screen option is here. So you can choose what you want to share. So if you want to share the entire screen, you can share the entire screen, so that others will see the entire screen of your computer. So whatever you are doing here, that will be displayed here. So you can open a let's say a PowerPoint presentation here, so that will be displayed there. So anybody can see the presentation there, okay, on their screen. So this is so let me close that. So let me stop sharing. So Big Blue Button is a facility for online web conferencing. So you can use it for interacting with your students. You can use it for taking online classes, and the entire session can be recorded. So if you just click here, start recording, so entire session will be recorded, and you can get the video later. So this is the facility of Big Blue Button. So I encourage you to use all the facilities which is available to you, and test it with your students. So thank you for watching this video.